Hey there! How are my masters of the internet doing today? It's Gabrielle Everett here once again, and today I'm going to do a tutorial for you showing you how to link your Power Lead system up with AWeber. Now, what is AWeber, you say? AWeber is a CRM or a customer relationship management software. And a lot of marketers are using it because they find that it's superior to Power Lead system in tracking and delivery. So I'm going to show you quickly how to set this up. Now, with AWeber, you need to set up lists for the messages you're sending out into the different groups that you are sending them out to. So we're going to come over here and do manage list. Now, I do already have a Power Lead contact list, but I found that to be problematic because I had all of my contacts in Power Lead system on this list, and I am sending different offers to these people through Power Lead system. So with AWeber, once they are opted in into a list, they can't opt in a second time. So my solution for that is to set up separate lists for each lead capture page that we have in Power Lead system, or for each offer that I'm sending out through Power Lead system. So let's create this new list, and this is going to be my four corners list. Okay, and I do have the domain address that I would like to use for that page. So this is it here, my 4C capture page. I'm going to take that and we're going to set that list up here. Okay, now a lot of this information is already pre-filled out when I first signed up for AWeber. So it has my address and the name and the email that I'm going to be using already filled in. So next page is asking me, what do I want to name my list? This is going to be my four corners leads. And then it's asking me, you know, what the description is. So I have a description already here. Just cut and paste that. And that's going to tell the subscribers what I'm offering when they receive my email. Okay, next step. Okay, now AWeber asks you to approve a confirmation message. So once people opt in, they'll get a confirmation message asking them if they indeed want to receive email from you. This is good for your protection because if anyone complains, you have proof that they did opt into your list. And also will tell you who the serious people are. So this is already preset. So we'll just go ahead. Okay, now that list is set up. And that list will have a unique ID number, and so that is what I need to get to attach it to my Power Leads. Okay, so go back to manage, and let's click on here. And there is that unique ID number. So this is the number that I'm going to take. So I'm going to copy this. And then I am going to bring it over to Power Lead System and attach it to my lead capture page. So we're going to find that Four Corners lead capture page, and here it is. You can see that some people have been filling in those surveys, so I do want to definitely hook that up to its own AWeber list. Okay, so once you've set up your lead capture page and you go to save it, you will be brought to your AWeber setting page. Now you can see right now it is linked to the initial Power Lead System AWeber list that I set up, but I do want it to have its own individual AWeber list. So we're going to put that right in there, and then we are going to save it. And this way that will ensure if somebody is opting in through Four Corners, but they're already in one of my other programs, they'll be able to get in. So there you have it. Okay, and now we can even test out the page, and we can see how that works. Okay, so the noisy one, folks. And there you have it. It goes to the sign up page, and then let's check back over here in AWeber and see if we are on the list. Okay, Four Corners leads, subscribers, manage subscribers, and there I am. Okay, so that's how you do it, folks. That is how you get your Power Lead System contacts connected to AWeber. If you have any questions, look below at those links, and my contact information email is there.